Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside we have seen, but it is moving very slowly and steady on the upper side. Okay, as soon as it moves out of a $3 zone, we have seen a further upside movement. That is where it made a high of around $3.59. After that, again a new high we have seen a level of 3.6. okay, and this is, you can say, around 9 months or 10 months, 9 or 10 month high. Okay, and chances are very high that if the price keeps sustaining, a further upside we can see. Okay, because there is a clear pattern forming, and this pattern says that as soon as started going above a level of $3.45, a further upside movement we can see, and then probability of crossing a level of $3.5827 we can see, and then it will cross a level of $3.657. okay, and chances are very high it will go further upside, because there is a higher chances of going further high, because there is a probability that as soon as it moves out of this particular zone, and this level we have not seen since 9-10 months, so probability of further upside, because as per rule, the probability that whenever there is a breakout happens or after a zone breakout happens, then a further upside movement we see. Okay, in the price of any stock or something, like if there is a zone, the price is moving in a zone, if it moves upside, then a further upside, or if it moves down, then a further downfall we can see. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. What we have seen, the gap is still pending at this particular level, a level of 4.1 to a level of $4.35. okay, so as soon as started moving above a level of $3.9, a further upside we can see, and then this gap can be filled, and there is a higher probability of it. Okay, and but before pandemic, what we have seen, after pandemic, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, there is a pattern forming. Okay, and these patterns are profit booking at this high, at these highs. That is where a fall has come. Again, when it started forming swing, that is where it goes upside, and for the 6th time it made, 7th time it would have done, but because of the Ukraine war, we have seen the price was continuously down. Until now we have not seen it has sustained. Okay, now the Israel war is there, because of that the price has moved upside in the gold, silver and natural gas also. Okay, but and because one more thing, that there is a breakout happened. This is one of the reason also. So suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $3.4560, and if it sustain above that level, we can see it will go towards 3.4973. if the price keep moving off that level, it will go towards a level of $3.58. okay, and from there a probability of going towards $3.654. okay, and this is the half the zone. So once started moving off that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $3.7. okay, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 3.9. once started moving off the level of 3.9, then a probability of going towards $4.414 will be there, and from there this gap can be filled at a level of 4.35. again I repeat, if the price keeps sustaining above this level, if the price keeps sustaining this level, it can go towards $3.465 to a level of, it will cross a level of $3.5834, and will cross a level of 3.659. as soon as started sustaining above that level, we can see a level of $3.7 to a level of 3.9, and from there a probability of touching $4.135 is there. After that we can see a level of 4.35. okay, once started going above that level, a further upside we can see towards $4.59, and from there a further upside we can see towards 4.8, and then a further high. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm going to mail ID is also in the description. Now if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, because market is uncertain, always try to remember to set your SL, it will save your capital, and always try to remember to trail your SL, it will save a profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, and these two things if you remember, you can be a good trade, you can take a good trade, as well as you can make good profit in the future. In sustain, it can come down again towards its next support of $3.3, and if it moves below that level, we can see a level of $3.2501. okay, once started falling, moving below that level, it will move below a level of $3.145, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 3.0416. okay, once started going below that level, a further downfall we can see, and then there is a probability of going towards a level of $2.91, and from there a further fall we can see towards $2.8, $2.78. okay, and if it moves below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2.5634, and from there a further downfall we can see towards $2.48. As soon as started moving below this level, it will move further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. And understand, always try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, so suppose if you took 5 trades, also maximum loss, suppose if you are trading with 10k, maximum loss you can do as per your if you keep a SL of 0.5 to 1%, that is $500. So it will not affect your psychology. Okay, but rather you will be in a good mood to trade the next day. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.